just want to ask few questions from you, निकुंज. आपको one word or one sentence में काफी short उनके आंसर देने हैं. So should I ask some questions from you?
Okay, fine. Continue.
Okay. So my first question: do you know what career you might want to pursue right now? Do
Yeah.
you know what career you might want to pursue right now?
Yeah, it will be machine learning development or research in that area.
Okay, definitely. ये बदलेगा तो
Yeah.
नहीं? Okay.
Like it will be around these things, but it will not change 180 degrees.
Okay, it will not be inverted now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice confidence, Nikunj. So my next question for you is, ये generally ये question हमारे interview में पूछा जाता है. Where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
Maybe.
As a IIT.
Okay. So in next 5 years, I'll be done with the IIT and I'll be having a job somewhere, and I'm seeing myself as chilling out somewhere. So not doing the hard work or grind that I'm doing now or in past.
Okay. So my next question for you: what are you worried about in the future? एक worry रहती है हर कोई, तो what are you worried about in future?
Most worried about the health. Considering all this corona thing, I came to know that the health is the prominent thing you should consider.
Health is wealth, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next, is there anything which would be harder for you to give up? I repeat my question. Is there anything which would be harder for you to give up?
Yeah, actually, like now I am addicted to binge watching. I don't think I'll give up that easily.
Can you repeat your answer? I'm not getting your answer.
Okay, so in past 2 years, I am being addicted to binge watching TV series or shows.
Addicted, right?
Yeah, not addicted, but like if I start that thing, I am not able to pause or stop.
Is it a game or something? मतलब मैंने सुना नहीं ये वाला word.
Binge watching TV series, like binge watching Money Heist or Game of Thrones.
Okay, college students ज़्यादा सुनते होंगे, इतना मेरे को idea नहीं होगी. Okay, it's a series on TV or on internet, right?
Yeah, it's quite popular actually.
Oh, it's quite popular among students, especially, right?
Yeah, among college janta usually.
Okay. तो क्या है इसमें, ये जो पूरी सीरीज है उसमें क्या किस तरह के ये सीरियल है, मतलब किस तरह का सीरियल है, एक वर्ड में थोड़ा?
Most of them are of different genres. Like Money Heist is based on heist in bank heist, and Game of Thrones is a fantasy series. There are many others, like Vikings is a historical drama. So.
Okay. So my next question for you, Nikunj, how do you define success? According to me, you are a successful student at the age of 20, right? Right now, you are 20 or 19 or 21. What is your age? 20. At the age of 20, you are a quite successful student right now, in my opinion. जितना मेरा ग्राफ है पिछले 5-6 सालों का, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग आप पहले नंबर पे ही होंगे या दूसरे नंबर पे होंगे मैक्सिमम. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग आप सक्सेसफुल हो. तो आप सक्सेस को क्या मानते हो कि व्हाट इज सक्सेस अकॉर्डिंग टू यू बेसिकली?
If you ask in one word, that it is internal happiness.
Internal happiness. Okay. So are you according to your definition of success, are you a successful student or a human being of Haridwar?
Yeah, actually, in my personal opinion, it's never a binary thing. Like it's not 0 or 1. There is a usually in between. It's never 0 or 1.
Very nice. आप मैथमेटिक्स की लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो?
Yeah, actually. So in mathematics, there is a term known as fuzzy logic, which consider these things that things are not binary.
Pardon, क्या word था ये?
There is a field of applied mathematics known as fuzzy logics. So that whole field is based upon this uh,
Okay.
axiom that
Hmm.
things are not binary.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So you are in between 0 and 1. If we मतलब अगर मैं success की okay. So 0.8, 0.9.
Yeah, more towards one you can say
Okay,
compared
very
to previous years.
nice. In future, where do you like to move? Is it India or something else?
As per now, it will be mostly in India. Like
Why?
permanent settling abroad is never an option.
Okay. Why not? It's never an option. Why is it?
Like
No,
it will,
why is it never an option?
like it will never be a permanent settlement. Maybe for 2-3 years,
Hmm.
but not permanent since due to family and all that thing. Like I don't think I'll be able to adjust to a foreign land.
Okay. Very nice. So right now it's tentatively on the tentative basis, it's India, right?
Yeah, almost.
So okay, very nice answer. So can I ask few more questions from you, Nikunj?
Yeah, if you have any, actually I have some meetings lined up after 5:30.
Okay. So this is my last question for you.
Okay.
What is the most courageous thing you have ever done in your life till now?
Uh, um, it's not actually there
Is
are
it
some personal incidents which I don't like to share.
okay, okay.
But
So,
you can say like one thing is there. Yeah, I'll tell. So
hmm,
in February this year, I went up to a trek. It is Kedar Kantha in Gadwal area. It is
okay.
the ascent was 12,000 feet and temperature was minus
12,000
-30.
high. Okay,
Yeah,
temperature
and
was minus 30.
-30. Yeah, so I trekked up to the
Oh,
like so with friends I went and we went up to the hilltop. It was 3 to 4 days trek. Like it was
hmm,
a very courageous thing. The temperature was numbing. You can't
hmm,
even sense your fingers or your toes.
hmm. Okay, very nice. तो आपको डर नहीं लगा? मेरे को तो हाइट से बहुत डर था, तो आपको हाइट से डर नहीं लगता क्या?
नो हाइट से तो ऐसे डर नहीं लगता मेरे को.
Okay, तो टेम्परेचर से लग गया आपको डर, राइट? माइनस
Temperature
30
was
डिग्री.
actually quite low. It's not like it's for everyone. Like most of us who went there, they were all freezing.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So it's nice to talk to you, Nikunj.
Oh
बहुत
yeah,
अच्छा
nice.
लगा आपसे बात करके. और मैं चाहूंगा कि हर साल मैं आपके साथ एक वीडियो बनाऊं जब आपका प्लेसमेंट हो, जब आप जाओ तो थोड़ा. आज टुडे इज 8th of August 2020. सो मैं आपके
Mm-hmm.
साथ आगे भी वीडियो बनाना चाहूंगा. आई होप आप अवेलेबल हो और आपके टाइम हो, और आपने टाइम दिया हमारे लिए, मेरे लिए स्पेशली. तो मेरे को काफी अच्छा लगा पर्सनली. सो
Yeah,
एक
it's
और
always
चीज
a
मैं.
pleasure.
ओके, इज इट अ प्लेजर रियली?
Yeah. Connecting with your past teachers or friends, it's always a pleasure.
ओके. सो आप हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए या हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं अभी जो 10th 12th आईआईटी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, उन्होंने आईआईटी सुना हुआ है. 9th क्लास 7th क्लास के बच्चे भी कई बार पूछ लेते हैं, सर हमें आईआईटी जाना है, किस तरह से हम सर मैथ्स लेंगे? तो उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
One thing I would like to say that this is a lockdown period. Your schools are off. Maybe your coachings and tuitions are also off. So most people are just wasting this time playing PUBG, watching just just waste material. Like don't waste this time getting ahead of you. So utilize this time properly.
Okay. So they should focus for their career, right? At the age
Yeah.
of 12 or 13 years also, right?
Yeah. Like most distraction of this age are temporary. You'll get better things in future.
Okay, very good. if you overcome this temporary pleasure, you'll get far better things in future,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Nikun, thank you so much for joining.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks so much.